Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing about the chart of GBPJPY pound yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. If you also trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD and others. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and right now market, as you can see that the last traded price is 155.75. Okay, this is the last traded price here, and as per our expectation, we saw a good run up on the GBP JPY after it bounced from the daily support. Not daily support. After it bounced from the 200 moving average support on the daily chart. Okay, and here market has closed. So overall we had a good run. Okay, though I have exited from my personal position, and honestly speaking I was not hoping that we will get to see a move like this, but again we saw a huge move on GBP/JPY. So overall the bullishness in the market is still there. Okay, so therefore, considering the present bullishness in the market, I will suggest you to look for buying opportunities only. Okay, if you want to take a sell position, that's your personal call. But if you're a beginner, new trader, and especially if you're looking for safe trading opportunities, then consider the trading possibilities that I'll be sharing right now. Okay, so the last traded price is 155.75. Clear? So we have an immediate support at this level, 155.60, 155.60 to 155.50. We have an immediate support at 155.60 to 50 from the Fibonacci retracement level. This is a 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. So there is a possibility of market coming down to this level and bouncing immediately. So if you want to take a buy position here, you can take a buy position. But as you can see that the last candle was a big red one. So after the market opening, okay, after the market opening, there may be some selling. Okay, there may be some selling, and market may not respect this level as a support. Okay, so in that case, if market fails to bounce from this level, you can avoid taking a buy, and experienced traders can take a sell as well. Okay, listen to me carefully. Experienced traders can take a sell if they see a selling opportunity below this level. If you see market breaking the level and going down, you can take a sell position. But beginners, new traders, do not initiate any sell position once you see market failing to respect the level. You can take a buy if market bounces, but if market breaks it, wait for the market to take support at the 200 moving average. We have seen that 200 moving average has been acting as an important support for GBP JPY for quite some time. So the next buying opportunity for beginners will be at the 200 moving average. So if market fails to bounce, wait for the market to come down to 200 moving average and just observe the market and see. If market bounces from 200 moving average, that will be your second trading opportunity and you can take a buy. If you see a proper bounce from the 200 moving average, proper bounce means if you see market forming a hammer pattern or a bullish pin bar pattern, you can take a buy position at the 200 moving average. Clear? And if market goes up, okay, after the market opening, if we see pound yen going up from this level, then we have a resistance at 156.50. Okay, this is the resistance of 156.50. You can see that when market was trying to cross this level, market failed, and in this particular portion of the market, the bullishness, the buying power was also very much heavy, but still market failed to cross the level. So it gives us the confirmation that yes, sellers are present here. So there is a possibility of market reversing from this level as well. Though market seems to be in upside, okay, though market seems to be going up, but we cannot deny the fact that sellers are present at 156.50 level. So if market reverses, we can take a sell as well. Okay, clear. And on the other hand, if market breaks the level, if you find market is very bullish, there is a sudden buying in the market and market breaking the level, you can take a buy as well, but make sure that you have waited long enough, you have taken the proper confirmation. So once market will reach the particular level here, observe the market and see how the market is reacting. Okay, observation is extremely important. If you see that price is bullish enough, market is falling a big red candle, sorry, big green candle here, then you'll get a confirmation that okay, market is bullish and this is not the ideal time to take a sell position. Okay, if you find market taking a forming a big green candle. Okay, so and then if you want, you can take a buy position as well, but make sure that the road is not very smooth. You have an immediate resistance at 156.90. So movement of around 30-40 pips. Okay. But on the other hand, if you see market struggling around the resistance here, or if you see price is being rejected from above just like the previous times, and if you see that yes, market is struggling, then you can take a sell position as well at the resistance here. Okay, so observation is very important. So if market goes up on Monday, 156.50 will be a very crucial level, and on the other hand, if market goes down, observe the market at this particular low level. If market bounces, you can take a buy, and if market breaks the level and starts going down, then 200 moving average will be your next support. Okay, and in case of a crazy selling in the market, if you see something very bad with GBPJPY, then we have ultimate support, okay, for Monday at 154 point sorry, 40 to 154.20. This is our support zone for the market, but as of now I don't think so that we will be witnessing any kind of this craziness in the market that GBPJPY will be testing this level. So overall market seems good. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts. And see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler, and keep in mind, trader only trades when the opportunity is right. So wait for the perfect opportunity, and confirmation is very essential. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.